Sawadikap, Sabaidi, Wagwan, Molimotia, Karibu. Today I'm right here at Big C, Vientiane. I heard they opened up a Big C right here in Vientiane, Laos. And I was curious what it looks like. So today we are going for a tour inside Big C. And besides, I'm hungry. And across over there we have some chains, major Cineplex, MK restaurants, barbecue plaza. Oh, it looks amazing. Those who know Big C or who have been to Big C's in Thailand, this will look exactly familiar. We have Big C over there, but I think I need to first eat something. Let's first go check out the food avenue right here at Big C Mall. See what dishes we could try. You could also get an idea of what it looks like, so the next time you are here you definitely know how to navigate your way. For those who love sushi, we have a sushi shop. My favorite is Pad Krapao. Looks like a Chinese style. Now most of the dishes are really quite similar with those in Thailand. Curious in what dish I should try. Sabaidi, Krapao Mukop.
Kapao.
Mukop.
Kapao Mukop.
Krap.
Dan.
Nang. You need to exchange your money. This is 100,000 Lao tip. This is what you get when you exchange your money for a card, an e-card. So your money is put into this card. Kop chai. So when you exchange your money, you get this bird. Ani, Kapao Mukop. I appreciate the fact that they take the time to display the foods in this manner. You could actually see so you could actually see from this. So this is what a food. $50,000 convert that to local currency right there. Let's find something to drink. So these are the drinks that they have right here. Get an energy drink. Your cutlery right here. This is Krapao Mukop. We also have a soup right here. Oh wow, very tasty. I like the soup. Some veggies, some chilies, some onions. Let's give that a taste before mixing it with the rice. Wow. The meat is really tender, very tasty. Wow. It's just wow. Big C right here. I also want to buy an external hard disk. I hope I can find one right here. Get these pieces here, so you can buy some watches over there. I'm in the section of beauty products, health and beauty, and also toiletries. So you also got Amari products right here. They're very popular in some places. What is this? Anti-aging serum. you've been to Thailand, these are some of those products you'll definitely find their beauty section. These now, since I'm here for only a few days, there's not much I really want to buy, but I want to give you a short tour for you to have an idea of the stuff you could actually get right here. Let's check out the snack section. The coffee lovers, this is a section. We are a Big C. I'm a great lover of nuts, so I think I'll get some of those. The sizes are pretty big. Wow, look at this. Seaweed, very popular back in Thailand. I've seen this a lot at 7-Eleven. More familiar with Tokanoi seaweed. This is what shrimp flavor, crispy seaweed. Okay, let's try this. We also have Lays. Toiletries. We have some tissues. Price is really affordable. Now look at this. 128 GB for 285,000. And this is Kingston 400,000. If you love shopping at Big C, this will be very familiar. Let's check out milk section, milk and drinks. So over here we are at the liquor section. Fresh produce. Some legumes, some vegetables. Oh, this is amazing. These are fresh from the garden. And if you're troubled with acne, these are some of the products that are on display to help you with that. This is a really popular one, Tokanoi. I actually got to know Netflix about how the guy started the crispy seaweed snack company. And from that movie I got introduced to Tokanoi seaweed snack. No membership. My bill is kind of small because I'm not really buying a lot. Thank you. My bill was 72,500. We have Kung Sri right here. We also have Kung Savani. This is one of the banks with the best rates. Seaweed by Tokanoi brand, the product from Thailand. Small sheets, crispy. We also have a fishy smell. You know what fish smells like? Definitely know what I mean. Over here, if you are tired, you could definitely come use one of these massage chairs. I think we should be giving this a try. So you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I think we should try 10 minutes. 10 minutes is 20,000 Laos. Goes up to 60 minutes, which is 120,000 Laos. Let's go for the 10 minutes.
อายมาเที่ยวเมืองลาวก็ย้อนเมืองเหงาหัวใจโดนแล้วบ่เคยมีผู้ใด
This is so relaxing, guys. If you're at the mall and you're looking for ways to relax, this could be a very great massage for you. Yeah, I really needed this. Okay, wow, I think I need to get one of these. Oh yeah, presses onto your body. The best part is when it massages the back. That is my favorite. It actually goes up to your below your waist. Oh guys, I think our time is up, but that was incredible, awesome. I needed that. Give a pass by the mall. Make sure you get yourself a back massage. That was amazing. We have some amazing clothes right here. These are very nice dresses. level hot pot. You have a place called High Table Japanese hot pot buffet. So guys, this is it. We are at Big C right here in Vientiane, Laos, the biggest Big C. It opened up last year, and I'm glad to be taking you around. Ice cream lovers, we got Swensen. It is actually hot right now outside, as you can see. Look at the weather. It's amazing, guys. I've not been to this mall before, but let's go check it out. Alright, that's it for this part of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're in Vientiane, Laos, come check out Big C right here, the big opposite iTech Mall. It's the biggest Big C right now. So see you in my next video.